Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha on Monday, a wheat remark plants a seed in Nomkhosi's head about Khulekani's stance. Gabi's threats have put Sibashle on tenterhooks. Manzimande receives her praises. On Tuesday, Nomkhosi suggests Khulekani is the chosen one and he squashes the idea. Ndlovu thinks Difa outed him to the council but learns that Difa is a better man than he is. On Wednesday, Nobuntu tells her parents that she is leaving but they are against it and even resort to drastic measures. Sibashle convinces her mother to support Ndlovu during his difficult time. Gabsile and Sibashle bump into each other on the street. On Thursday, Mthembu reappears to Khulekani. Difa and Nobuntu make amends. Ndlovu apologizes to his wives for dragging their name through the mud. On Friday, a young wife grows obsessed with power. There is a light at the end of the tunnel for the Gumeras. Manzungu's unwanted guest has plans for her. Thank you for watching.